So Jaco, welcome, my friend.
Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Hi, Alan. Thank you for having me here.
So just introduce yourself. Tell us what you do.
I'm Jaco. I'm CTO. I do software development, dabble around in AI development, and anything to do with technology, workflows, automation, writing applications. That's my baby. That's what I do.
So you're a very busy person.
Yeah, I actually have a lot of deadlines. As we all know, it's silly season coming up. A lot of deadlines before we can all go on to holiday. So it's pretty hectic.
So if you're a busy trader and you're on this presentation, then this is the ideal tool for you to start making a passive income. So Jaco, tell us over here, what happened exactly to your account at this stage over here?
The balance dropped. What I did is I actually withdrew some money, took out some money to spend a bit of profits. So
what did you spend it on?
My daughter turned 18 in September. And as a proud dad, you always want to help your kids, make sure they are well looked after. And we bought a new car. It's not a fancy car, but it's a decent car. It's a Hyundai Grand i10. Now, if you want,
I'll stop sharing and you can share. So while you're doing that, Jaco, has this trading robot changed your life? Do you see time frames collapsing to your retirement? What is your end goal? And how close are you to achieving it?
First, let me show you this. I got WhatsApp with a guy at Hyundai Belleville, really cool guy. Showed me some pictures. We actually had a look at the vehicle. And as you can see over here, the vehicle ready for my daughter to go and collect. So it's a proud moment when you can actually do something like that for your child. And just to show you guys, 223, it's not every day that you can actually do that for one of your kids. Started trading with Alan, with Forex robots. It actually changed my life quite a bit. I have worked hard to get where I am today. So I've managed to work myself up. I'm 48 at the moment. So, I've got a lot of years behind me. So I earn a decent salary, but with everything going up, inflation, everything just getting more and more expensive, it's quite crazy to stay ahead and also think about retirement for the day that you will 65, think about your family.
So do you think that is this robot are you on track to retire within 3 to 5 years or fire your boss in 3 to 5 years?
Yes, I'm definitely on track. I can probably tell you guys I've actually went ahead and got another EA.
So I'm gonna present now, and I'm gonna show everybody the other EA.
I've made decent profits, and I'm basically making another extra salary every month. A decent salary. It's people living on.
Would you mind sharing what that is in rand?
Last month was 30,000.
That's unbelievable. Okay, so this is Jaco's second account that is running with us. I'll show it to you here. We'll just open up the link so that you can see full disclosure and you can see what he's been doing. This robot has been running for 187 days. This over here, I believe he canceled his 100% deposit bonus. And he's got $4,559 in this account, and he's made 54% return on investment, a 9.1% return on investment per month, and he's been doing that for 187 days. So, Jaco, are you a conservative trader? Would you consider yourself conservative?
Yes, I am a conservative trader. I do like to take a little bit of risk every now and again, but I've learned through my mistakes. It's only when the rules are in place. So there's certain rules to follow, and then you can actually take a little bit more of a risk because you know where the market is going. And if you follow the rules and you stick to what you've learned, then you can increase your risk when the time is right to make a little bit more extra profit. And when the rules are not in place, then you lower your risk and just go conservative. Overall, I would say I'm trading very conservative. I'm not going to take chances. I'm building on my retirement fund. So sticking to the basic and abiding by the rules is extremely important. So overall, I would say I'm a conservative trader.
Okay, brilliant.